Hello. Jan here from Into the Woods on day 3 of our forest bathing for people who are self-isolating, to give you a breath of fresh air over 30 days. I'm so glad you could join me. I've come into the woods and I'll show you how things are today. Yesterday, the wind was wild. It was so cold. It was from the north, the northeast. Today, it's still windy, but it's changed to the southeast, and so it's a lot milder. And it actually feels delicious. So forest bathing is it's a feeling. It's about being mindful of where we are and allowing nature to pull us into our senses. And just sitting here and sensing the wind on my hands and in my hair and on my face feels so fresh, feels gorgeous. Yesterday I just wanted to run home to the fire. But today it's a kind of a glad to be alive day. The sun's shining, and no matter what else is happening in the world, in the human world, nature is here doing her stuff. So I'm very aware of the birds today. This is spring. It's a really busy time for birds. They're pairing off, and everywhere I'm seeing them in pairs. As I walked towards the wood, I saw a pair of buzzards soaring in the sky, just playing in the wind really, and going through their courtship. They were being hassled by a pair of crows who were affronted by their presence. But so beautiful to watch them, look at their movements and kind of try and feel their movements in my own body. I invite you to try that. Can you hear the wind roaring through the trees? So I also want to take you to see my pet seedling today. I was looking at some amazing fungi balls a few days ago, and when I came up close to the balls, I noticed to one side there was a little tiny 2-leaf seedling growing on the forest floor. I've no idea what it is. I don't care, because I've just fallen in love with it. I feel so protective towards the seedling. I really hope it makes it. And already there is change. It's gone from just being 2 leaves to now having a little central shoot growing up from the middle. It's so tiny. It seems so vulnerable, and I feel like it's mum. I'm going to take you back regularly to watch its progress, and I think you're going to feel the same affection towards it that I do.